Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chris with Restream, and in this video we're going to show you how to use OBS to stream to multiple platforms like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So with that being said, we're just going to hop right into it. Let's go. First, you want to start by opening OBS. And as you probably noticed, we still have the Twitch docs from before, so it's only streaming to Twitch right now. So if we hit stream, it's going to go to Twitch. But if you go to settings, once in settings, go to stream, and then under services, we're going to hit this drop down menu and we're going to select Restream.io. Once this is selected, you'll have to connect to your account. So you can use a stream key or you can just log in. I'm going to show you how to get a stream key real quick. Go to Restream.io in your web browser. Now this application will allow you to stream to multiple platforms from one OBS stream. So you can stream to Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and more. So create an account or sign in with your Google. Once you create an account or sign in, you'll see a window similar to this. And this is where you're pretty much going to control your stream. Down here in edit destination, you can choose different destinations to stream to. So you can do all of these different ones that they have listed here. So for example, we're going to add Twitter, connect the account, log in with your information, and then it connects here. And once you're connected, it'll be an option for you to toggle on and off for your stream. So now you see we have assigned these 3 different destinations for us to be able to stream to. It's really that simple. Now I'm going to show you how to grab a stream key so you can link it to OBS. So now you want to go over here to your little menu bar and go to settings. Once you get into settings, you're going to go to streaming setup, and you see here where's the RTMP URL and the stream key. You mainly need the stream key. Just copy that by hitting the button. Once you have it copied, go back into OBS and you can use stream key and paste it right here. But the easier way to do it is just connect the account and now allow you to log in with your Restream profile. Become a Patreon today and support this community and support this channel. You might be asking, why would I want to do that? Well, one of the reasons is we are creating coding camps and tech camps for kids, and a lot of the Patreon dollars will go towards setting up those coding and tech camps with equipment and all of the things that are necessary to teach younger generations how to do some of the digital media techniques that we teach here at Digital Realm. So with that being said, your Patreon dollars will go towards scholarships for certain members of the Digital Realm community. So with that being said, make sure you get your membership, but at the same time, become a Patreon if you're not really interested in becoming a member just yet. Let's go. Once you log on, now you'll be able to see the Restream application through your OBS software. And as you notice over here, these are all of the different channels that we have set up, and you can toggle them on and off depending on where you want your stream to go to. You can also customize these windows / docs to your liking. If you want to learn more about how to customize your interface, click the link. When you're customizing the interface, you can change to where the tabs are. You can scale up and down these windows just like this. You can set up your streaming information like your title and description. And then once you're ready, you can start streaming. But make sure that you're streaming to the channels that you want to stream to. So we're just going to look. Everything, this is where we want to go. Toggle it on and off. And when we're ready, go ahead and start streaming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, go to digitalrealm.com and become a member today. With your membership, you get access to our course library. We have all different types of digital media content creation topics that you can cover and learn for yourself. Very beginner friendly, just like this video. So with that being said, go to digitalrealm.com and get your membership today. And don't forget, join our Discord community at the link below. You can get access to a lot of topics and discussions about these videos just like this from members of the Creator Camp. So with that being said, hopefully I'll see you in the Discord community in the link below. Let's go.